and welcome to this guided meditation to discover the real you. With this meditation, you are going to be able to reduce stress, control anxiety, enhance self-awareness, may help in addictions by simply allowing your body to relax and return to your natural physical and mental well-being. Practicing deep breathing and body muscle relaxation turns on your parasympathetic nervous system, which is the rest and digest system that conserves energy, as it slows the heart rate, increases intestinal and gland activity. Now lay down in a quiet place where you won't be interrupted. Take a comfortable position with your back straight. Place one hand on your stomach and the other on your chest. Take a deep breath into your nose and exhale through your mouth. Pushing out as much air as you can while tensing your abdomen muscles. The hand on your chest should rise very little, while the other hand should move as you breathe in and breathe out. Let's repeat this again. Take a long breath in for 4 seconds. And exhale for the count of 5. You can rest your hands now in an easy way beside your body. Now shift your attention to your body. Take a moment to focus on your feet. Notice any sensation you feel while continuing to focus on your breathing. Imagine this relaxing energy coming up through your feet. Your mind will try to wander. Many thoughts come into your mind. Gently place your attention on your body and place your attention on your knees. Feel the same relaxing energy. If you notice areas of particular tension, try to soften those areas. Those areas of your body. Softly bring your attention to your abdomen, then your chest, then your arms, and then your head. Allow that relaxing energy to flow through you. Relax your eyes, the muscles of your face and jaw, loosening every tight area. Now imagine you are by the ocean. On a wonderful beach, on a breathtaking sunny day of summer. Breathe in that fresh air. Breathe in that clean, fresh air. The sky is so blue, with a few clouds floating by. The ocean breeze is softly touching your face. Feel it. Feel it touching your face. The day is so peaceful, so calm. You hear some distant birds. You start walking on a beach, feeling so peaceful. With every step, you become more calm and more peaceful. You can feel the softness of the sand. As you take one step after the other, it is so soft. The water is so clean and blue. You bend and touch the water. You see yourself in the reflection of the water. Look at your own reflection. Look into your eyes. What do you see? Your eyes begin to smile back at you. They seem to have a knowing that you've been looking for such a long time. They hold so much love in them. You can feel a warm energy starting to pulsate within you. This is the real you. The real you. Full of love. Full of wisdom. Full of belief. Full of trust. Full of knowing. You feel so happy. You feel full of energy. You feel full of vitality. You look up and explore the place you are in. Look around and explore your world. This is your time to see whatever you need to see, to be with whoever you need to be with. Align yourself with the energy of this magnificent universe.